Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the theme in the Google Drive app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up Google Drive. It opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the top left corner, tap on the three lines, then tap on settings, and here we have theme. Now we can choose from three options for theme, either dark mode, which looks like this, as you can see. Then we also have light mode and system default, which just takes the system settings that our phone uses and uses those. So if we have adaptive theme, the Drive app is going to be in that as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.